Okay, now we continue with yesterday and we start from the come command to the stand command. Chotu come, Chotu stand. Yes. Chotu come, Chotu stand. Yes. Good boy. Chotu come, Chotu stand. Yes. Good boy. Here we are training the dog to stand and then heel. The stand command is very simple. Just put it after the come command and before you give him the treat. Once you have started to do that comfortably, then you just need to guide the dog around you to come to the heel position. This helps you keep your dog at your side or call him to your side. Chotu come, heel, 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 heel. Yes, good boy. Chotu come, heel, heel. Yes, good boy. Chotu come, heel, heel. Yes, good boy.
Come. Stand. Good boy.